How to use Grammarly on Google Forms. In this video, I will show you how can you easily use Grammarly on Google Forms. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open your Google Chrome and then download Grammarly. You just need to type Grammarly download and you will be directed to Grammarly's page, and there you will see the option of install now. After successfully downloading Grammarly, go to Google Web Store and type for Grammarly extension. Then after you are supposed to click on add to Chrome and add the Grammarly extension. After you do so, Grammarly will automatically be used in all of your application on your device. So when there is any mistake, grammar mistake or spelling mistake in your Google document or Google form, when you right click on it, the suggestion from Grammarly will appear. And that's how you can use it on Google Forms. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.